I hope you're having an amazing Monday, February 8th. I am just getting the chat up on my other computer, so bear with me 2 seconds while I get this up and running on the other computer. I don't see it live just yet, so it's going to take just a second. There we go. Ooh, what an unflattering picture right there. All right, so let's go here and open it up. All right. So I hope you all are having a great day. Some amazing, hey, bat scientists, some amazing stocks on the list today. Remember that if you guys want to get 7 out of the 14 stocks, you can sign up over at TIGR. I do have a leader profile right there. You go to Marketplace, you're able to sign up for the alerts, text alerts in the morning of the stocks that I am looking at, and you're able to, as far as I know, get them right on your phone. If there's anyone that has the text alerts, I need to see if I can sign up for free and try it and make sure that the alerts are going through, because that's going to be pretty advantageous for people to be able to receive them no matter where you are, live in the mornings. You're able to see it. Hey, MTATS. Hey, Terry. All right, let's get into the market. I'm sorry I'm late today. I was on the phone with my mom talking about silver. Oh, yes, silver. Went out and did my part to help raise the price of silver today. Went out and bought some silver pieces yesterday. So super excited about that. I know you're crying. It's on my list. It was the first one on my list this morning, Mike. And I knew, I was thinking of you right when I saw that. I was like, uh-oh, Mike is not going to be happy today. I'm so sorry, Mike. I know, I feel for you. I feel your pain. All right, let's bring up the stock charts. And you guys will know what I am talking about very shortly. All right, so we have the SPY here, and SPY levels, let's see, where's my list? Right here. Let's bring up the watch list. Do you guys like it better if I take it right from TIGR to show you? Let's do it that way. Let's take it right from TIGR over here, from my alerts right here, so you guys can see it firsthand from my trade ideas, right? I want to add it right there. Sorry, guys. It doesn't want to add to the screen here. There we go. All right, so SPY above 388.60 or support 388.60, resistance of 389.20. Well, yes. Where did we go from there? Did we go above 389.20? We are testing it right now. Sure enough, we went there earlier this morning, broke above 389.20, had a nice run all the way up to almost to 390. Remember last week I did shout out 391.60 as that potential target. Looks like we are on our way potentially up there today. Mike, how are the 2 jobs? How many shares did you have, Mike? It's okay. We're a good open community here. Everyone has your back, right? So we'll get to it next. So the SPY, we are a little overextended right here, 386.50, 2,000 shares. Yeah, and sorry, Mike. But that's it. Like, you never know, right? You were in it for a long time. It was a bag holding position, and then you took profit, right? So you did take profit on it. And did you hold any shares? Leave that partial position? This is why I always say, hold on to it, sell most of it, and then potentially leave a partial position, right? Because you never know what's going to happen in the future. And we will be talking very shortly about the stock. No. Okay, well, see, lesson learned, right? Lesson learned on that one. So the SPY, we could come all the way back down to 388.10 down here and then shoot all the way up. Would be looking for a test of 390.22. I did put that out on a tweet. I'd like it up there to 390.22 as a potential target for the end of the day. As long as it can hold here, it might pull back down a little bit. We might come and test this 389 level and then shoot up. Looking, maybe this is a head and shoulders, but we did come back down here and found pretty strong support around 388.50. Qs as well, fairly strong today. Did have some big price action on Apple. We'll check that out. So we have a bit of a doji day. Came down, tested the volume weighted anchor price from Friday. Very nice to see, and surging up from there. Big volume that came in right there. Let's see, that was at 11:30. Let's see if we had some dark pool activity at 11:30. 100,000 shares. All right, at 332.38. All right, as long as we stay above, oh, that was 332.38. Interesting, up here, right? 332.38, they put that out at 11:30. Very interesting. All right, everything is above us. No, we're about 332, oh, no, excuse me, 332, I was looking at 333, 332.38, right here, we are above that. So as long as we stay above that today, liking the cues longer and stronger. IWM, did we hit that? Wow, look. All right, bat scientists, I know what you're doing here. You're taking some profit as we come to the upward bound of this upward channel right here. Remember last week I said looking for 221.50. We did hit that last week. Pretty much, wow. Wait a second. Where did we close? Did we close right at, we closed at 221.66. That's pretty cool, guys. That was my target, right? Gave that shout out for that target. So all of the indexes right now are moving to the upside. Thank you, bat scientists. Yeah, it's a good one. Potentially still. And I'm going to show you something else about Quanta that you guys might find interesting. Could be going up to 25 cents or greater. And I will show you why. Dow Jones Industrial Average as well, ETF, moving to the upside. We are up above this box. We are now up above 2 boxes on the 24-hour chart. I like this long and strong. Talking really quickly because I do have to jump over to Ticker Talker. So if you guys follow me, we might jump on over all over there quickly. I'm just going to text them and say I'm coming at 12:50 so they know that I have an extra 5 minutes built in. All right. At 12:50. Okay. Sorry, I can't type and talk and text at the same time. It's like the Trident commercials. I can only do one. So here's the one that, but I know you're happy with Ego, Mike, right? You're happy with Ego. Ego is performing. This one is one that I had on my watch list as well, guys, from Sunday for a potential move to the upside. Thank you, Roger. I know. Look, this is what I have. My healthy snacks. I did my spin. So I have nuts, right? Healthy nuts. I need to go and get a new box. Time to order a new box and pick up on groceries. My vegetarian snacks, and I have my green smoothie drink that I drink as well. So Ego, I like this. Coming up right now on the daily, we're breaking out. We do have earnings coming up. We had massive volume on Friday, and where are we right now? Above that volume. So I like that. Potential move to the upside here on Ego. Let's also check USAS. That's another one. Haven't checked this one yet today. Not performing quite as nicely. Still testing the trend lines over here. And this one, we are holding this trend. So I would like to see break above 290 and then come on up and break above up here. I'm going to put this down here because my stop area is roughly 250-ish. We're below the 200 simple moving average on the 200, but still watching USAS. This is gold and silver together. America's Gold and Silver Corporation. It is a Canadian company. USA on TSX and USAS on New York Stock Exchange. But the one that Mike, I know, is feeling the pain is OCGN. So Mike had been back in here and had been trading this conservatively. Took some profit up at 2, 3, right? Hey, it's trading at 25 cents. That would seem logical. Would you expect it to go to $18 the next day? No. But that brings me to Quanta, right? Quanta, let's look at it, right? This is a sleeper, in my opinion. Could be going up. Went to 14 cents today. Could be going up higher. Let's look at the news on it. So QNTA filings. This is why. Potentially this could be pumped. And I'm going to show you why. Because it has 25 million right now in the float, right? 25 million in the float. They want to issue out another 50 million. What do they want to do with that 50 million? They want to issue those 50 million at 25 cents. Who's going to buy it for 25 cents when it's at 14 cents? How many of you would buy Quanta would buy 1,000 shares of Quanta at 25 cents when it's trading at 15 cents? Anybody? I don't think anybody would, right? So this is an S1 that was filed back February 2nd. And this one, low float, I've been in this now since 9 cents and going to take 50% off personally when I'm over 100% profit. And that way, no matter what happens to it, it can just sit there and grow. It could be like an OCGN where it could really grow to the future. Quanta right now is at 12 cents. People are like, Jane, what are you doing? This is low float. Yes. The other reason why I like Quanta is because of their, let's see if they have news on Quanta. We could just go here, options, charts, overview. Maybe they have it over and for overview. They don't have Quanta. I'm looking for MetaLife. Oh, look at this. That's old though. I was like, interesting. I'm going to buy it for $2.80. So let's go to MetaLife. MetaLife Scorpion. This is what's cool. Oh, I forgot to hit enter. MetaLife Corporation. Here we go. This is the really cool stuff. They've submitted their application to help fight against cancer and COVID with the FDA in the Dominican. Good morning, that's it. January 21st. So this is the Ministry of Environment signed an exclusive 10-year agreement for automatic renewal for their COVID-19 viral disease. Okay, hold on. Scorpion venom is currently active research by pharmaceutical companies for therapeutic use in treating cancer, COVID-19, viral diseases, and pain, all of which are independently multi-billion-dollar industries. MetaLife is pioneer in venom to drug development. So this is total speculation, right? They could very well be doing fundraising of money to expand their development, totally normal, with a pharmaceutical company. The reason why I like this as a potential pump is because they're trying to issue their shares at 25 cents. Who's going to buy it at 25 cents when it's trading at 14? Is the screen frozen for you guys? It's frozen on my end. Maybe it's because I'm not playing it live. There we go. Okay. So right now at 12 cents, are they looking for this to go up to 25 cents to really drum up sales of the business? That's over 100% from where we are right now. So that's my opinion on this. They could just go ahead and issue those shares. It also has a nice rounded bottom to it. So would look for that rounded bottom. It's 16 cents, potentially a target of 30 cents on on Quanta and MetaLife with that one. Okay, back to the list because I'm going to run through it really quickly. 2 more minutes. Mara as well. Oh my goodness, Mara. I mentioned this on Friday and the weekends, but do your due diligence, guys. That's my homework that I did on it. That's why I'm in that one as a potential swing and run to the upside. Mara, Riot, BTBT. Mike, are you still in BTBT? I think you were in it. BTBT is lower float and moving to the upside. So these top 5 right here, OCGN, Mara, BTBT, LAIX, and Riot were the 5 plus the SPY and the Qs that were alerted on my ticker talker right here. So you see here's OCGN. Hey, if we break above 950, watch that. A nice move, $7 to the upside. BTBT, hey, if we break above 2250, let's watch that. Well, did we break above 2250? Not just yet. I'm still waiting on that one. It did have a nice move today. LAIX, all right, here it is, right over here on the alert. Where is it? LAIX. Watch $7.05. Low float, 26.5 million. All right, well, we ended up breaking down. Okay, it happens. Not every single one is going to potentially be a long trade, right? That's why these levels are important, to watch it upside or downside. Thank you, that's it. And Riot today. All right, let's check it out. Riot, watch it above 28.50 or below 24.50. Well, we see it's at 30.65, so it definitely broke out from here. We had a nice move, $1.50 to the upside from 28.50, so about 7% gains on that. These are potentially nice setups as well with options. You know, if you have a $1.50 move on an option, you can make nice gains in a day, 100%, sometimes 300%, depending on the price of the option and the movement of the stock. All right, AAL as well. I'm going to have to run over to Ticker Talker, and you guys can follow me if you'd like. I will tweet that out live. Oh, I forgot to share it on my Twitter that I was live for this too. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, 1760 here. So did we run up? Yeah, we hit 1780 and then $18. Are we going to come back down? We're testing a resistance on the daily. Would watch for this to break above 1860, then continue that move to the upside. Might find more resistance around this 425 on the daily chart at 1993. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up here. I'm going to be jumping over to Ticker Talker. So if you guys would like to join me, just check out my Twitter. I'm going to put it up right here so you can see. Twitter is It's Airplane Jane. Come on over there, follow me, and I will be tweeting out the link for my Ticker Talker 1 p.m. live stream coming up very shortly. See you guys soon. Jump on over. We'll talk some